Seneca here. Let's talk about something that's been trending, the missing books of the Bible. And as my guy DaTruthOnDutyTV said, a lot of people think God just whisked the Bible together supernaturally, but that's not how it happened. He broke it down perfectly. God used human agency and a real historical process. The early church didn't just grab random scrolls. They tested everything by three standards. One, apostolic authority. Was it written by an apostle or someone close to them? Two, sound doctrine. Did it line up with Jesus and the apostles' teachings? Three, church-wide acceptance. Was it used and trusted by believers everywhere, not just one small sect? DaTruthOnDutyTV even pointed out why some texts didn't make it. Books like Enoch, Thomas, and Jasher were real, but they didn't pass those tests. Some were written too late. Others, like the Gnostic Gospels, taught things that contradicted Jesus' humanity or turned the gospel into secret knowledge. That's what the early church called Docetism. So when DaTruth said the Bible wasn't whisked together, he was right. No cap. It was refined, debated, and preserved through time. I'm Seneca, giving props where it's due. DaTruthOnDutyTV laid the foundation. The history's deeper than most think. Study it, don't scroll past it. Had no cap, and DaTruthOnDutyTV at Seneca Speaks.